we are talking of temperature dependence of resistance. As temperature changes, what happens to resistance of a material? There are three kinds of materials. Let's look at the graphs. For certain materials, as temperature increases, resistance increases. Those kind of materials would be probably conductors. For certain materials, as temperature increases, resistance decreases. Examples are germanium, silicon, carbon in the form of graphite. For certain materials, as temperature increases or decreases, there is no change of resistance. Resistance remains the same. Example is alloys like manganese, constantan. Now, the change in resistance could be calculated by this or this relationship. Both are the same. This is the original. Here I have taken R naught common and got the second one. What are these terms? Alpha is a constant for a particular material. It's called temperature coefficient of resistance. R naught is the resistance of that material at temperature T naught. R is the resistance of the material at a new temperature T. And here I have taken R naught common and got this. Any problem? If alpha is positive, means as temperature increases, if resistance is increasing, alpha positive, alpha will be positive. Original resistance plus some new part will be the new resistance at a higher temperature T. If alpha is negative for germanium, silicon, graphite, as temperature increases, T is greater than T naught, but alpha is negative, so original old resistance minus some part will be the new resistance. New resistance will be lower. For alloys like constantan, manganese, alpha is 0, this part will be 0, our new resistance at a higher temperature will be the same as original resistance at a lower temperature. Get me?